Do you know how to make a luscious mango cake? I will teach you how to make a luscious and delicious mango cake. Let's start. We are taking 150 grams of sugar, 150 grams of melted butter, cashew nuts, 150 grams of flour, and 150 gram mango and 3 eggs. I'm putting sugar in melted butter. And now I'm putting 3 eggs. Now I'm mixing. Now I'm putting cashew nuts and flour. And then I will mix. Now I'm mixing mango. I'm mixing 6 grams of baking powder. So after mixing, I have taken an aluminium bowl, butter paper, and on it I have put in olive oil. And now I will take our mixture and put it inside, and then I will bake it around 40 to 45 minutes. After 45 minutes it's ready. After cutting it in 2 pieces, we will whip the cream with mango pulp. Now I'm adding mango pulp in whipped cream. Now we are applying mango cream on the cake.
लिफ्ट इट लाइक दिस हाथ से हाँ उसको ऐसे कैसे करेगा
Now we are spreading mango cream on the cake. क्या बोल रहा है? Cheria. Now I have spread the cream on the cake. Now we'll put some slices of mango.
मम्मी बहुत सीरियस है देखो. Sorry.
I will put slices of mango for decoration.
बताऊँ मैं.
रघु को बता.
Beach. My luscious mango cake is ready. I cannot stop myself to eat it.
क्लिप काटूं फिर डालूं मैं. ये तो यही लगा था.
Let's cut the cake. You know what? My friends also liked my mango cake. They said this is very delicious.